Task Lighting manufactures LED lighting and angle power strip fixtures in Kearney, Nebraska. Mounted under the cabinet, the angle power strip disappears. It's power at your fingertips, tucked out of sight. Don't cut into the beautiful backsplash to install outlets. Use an angle power strip instead, tucked out of sight under the cabinets. Easy to reach power without marring the backsplash. Angle power strip fixtures are available in multiple finishes, multiple lengths, custom lengths, with or without USB charging, with or without a switch for turning on and off lights and a garbage disposal. A lighted power strip combines LED lighting and angle power, and someone standing in the kitchen will never even see it. To learn more about the industry-leading angle power strip, visit our website at www.tasklighting.com or ask your hardware resources rep for a Task Lighting catalog or order a sample.